Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, matching Visual Studio and SQL Server with SQL Server data tools installed. Once done, enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager and start the service so Visual Studio can reach the instance. Next, create or verify a SQL login using SQL Server Management Studio, assign proper database roles, and note server name and credentials. Make sure Windows Firewall allows the SQL port, and remember whether you'll use Windows Authentication or SQL Server Authentication for the connection. Now you connect from Visual Studio, open Server Explorer and pick Add Connection. Enter the server name exactly as shown in SQL Server Configuration Manager, choose Windows or SQL Server Authentication and provide credentials. If you're using a local MDF, use attach DB or browse to the file. Click Test Connection to validate. Once successful, save the connection. Visual Studio will add a connection string to Server Explorer and optionally update app. Config. If using EF, scaffold the model or create DB context to start querying. Finish by verifying the connection string in app. Config or web. Config, ensuring the correct provider and server/instance format. Run a simple select or perform an entity framework migration to confirm read and write operations. If you encounter errors, systematically troubleshoot. Confirm SQL Server service is running, TCP/IP is enabled, and firewall rules allow the port. Double-check credentials and whether you use the instance name like machine/SQL Express. Finally, use test connection and check Visual Studio's output for detailed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.